it makes you think, and back to obviously when you were young, and it's almost like you live a whole new life through someone else's eyes. It's not about having stuff or doing stuff, it's about hanging out and having fun. You know, like I'm an old dad, like I'm 47, hey, she's 2, so like we were lucky to have Billy, you know, really lucky, eh? So like just gratitude and appreciation to be a dad at this age, man. But yeah, she teaches me so much, and I've learnt to slow right down. Yep, like your pace just has to match their pace, and yeah, that's the key, I think. But I love it. Like, you know, if anyone's out there not sure if they're going to want to have kids, but if you get the opportunity to do it, it's pretty amazing.